inspection by Ace Builders Inspectors, Dion Inspector. Subject property is 22 Camelback Avenue South, Carson 90745. Okay, inspection is complete.
Okay.
And this is Dion.
Okay. How are you?
Good, thank you, Dion.
Okay. Anyway, well, there are 5 major components in the house. Okay, structure, plumbing, electrical system, heating, cooling system, and the roof. Now, if I don't find any major issues in those 5, in my opinion, the house is okay. Because there's no perfect house. There always have problems. Okay, now so far the structure is good. There's no evidence of structural damage from previous earthquakes.
Excellent.
No plumbing leaks, although it's cast iron drain pipes, but the water supply are all copper pipes already.
Great, great.
Okay, the roof is about, I would say, 15 years old.
Okay.
It's an asphalt shingles, 25-year type of roof, meaning say you still have at least 10 more years for the roof.
Okay.
Now, I think the roof is part of the homeowner's, so I'm not sure.
You're
yet,
absolutely correct. We
yeah.
did verify today.
Yeah, but, well, the roof, there's no leak on the roof.
Good, good, perfect.
Okay, now, electrical system, all outlets, light switches, they're all working.
Beautiful.
And the panel is 100 amps, which is adequate for this size of house.
Yes, absolutely.
However, the outlets are 2-prong outlets that are
Okay.
properly grounded because
All right.
the house is old.
So you recommend upgrading to 3-prong?
Well,
Grounded.
3-prong is always better than 2 prongs.
Understood.
Because
Okay.
it's properly grounded.
Great.
Now, the heating system, however, is not working properly. That needs to be serviced.
Okay.
The air ducts are made of metal
Mm.
with asbestos insulation.
Okay.
Now, the contention here is it's harmful if you inhale asbestos.
Yes.
However, the air is passing through the metal air ducts, not
That's
the
right.
asbestos.
That's right.
Asbestos is
The insulator.
the insulation of
Okay.
metal air ducts, which is outside the air ducts.
And did you see any of them broken or
Yeah, there are some few broken. I would suggest to
But the-
encapsulate it.
they're not going inside the duct?
No,
though?
it's not going
Good.
inside of
That's
the air
important.
ducts. Yeah.
Now, when you say the heater's not working, is it not working or it needs to be
I think
cleaned?
that needs to be serviced because it doesn't respond to the thermostat.
Okay, so it might be a thermostat issue?
Yeah, it might be a thermostat issue,
Okay.
or maybe it's the sensor because they haven't used the
Understood.
heating system for a while.
Okay, all right.
Okay, but I think generally it's still functional because there's no crack in the exchanger, which is very important.
Well, I'm going to get them a home warranty, so
Yeah, okay.
it'll cover that.
Okay.
Okay.
Then there's a little bit of the issue of the flexible gas connector.
Sure. It should be
which is-
updated to the yellow covered one,
Yes,
correct?
and
Okay.
it's supposed to be a rigid pipe that
Yep.
goes out of the metal housing.
Understood. Okay.
Okay, but it's not really a big issue, but it's a code requirement.
Yeah.
Okay.
But isn't this house grandfathered in, or is that a current code requirement?
Well, it's a grandfather because all the
Okay.
compliances are old. This is as old as the
Okay.
building.
But it's recommended to change it for safety.
Yes, it's for
okay.
safety issues,
Then we'll
yeah.
we'll get that done. Okay,
Yeah.
great. That's
And-
what, like a $9 to $20 part?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, great.
And there's some dry rot and termite damages.
Yep.
But, yeah.
We're gonna get that verified this afternoon by Termite Company.
Yeah. Now, basing on the 5 major components: structure, plumbing, electrical system, heating system, and the roof, I think generally it's okay.
Great.
Except the heating system needs
Okay.
to be serviced.
Not a problem. We'll get that fixed.
Yeah. That's all about it. But there's still some issues, but there are more about
Maintenance.
maintenance issues or cosmetic issues.
Good. Now, key question: would you buy this house?
Well, of course.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong really there except
Just maintenance
more
stuff,
of
mine.
cosmetic
Okay,
issues.
got it.
they haven't been maintained for a while.
Okay. Well, we'll take care of that.
Oh, there's some moisture and a little bit of mold damage under the sink.
Under the kitchen sink?
Yeah, the
Oh, yeah.
kitchen sink.
That's typical of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you notice any leaks in the
Yeah,
pipes?
the water. No, there's no leak in the pipe. The water is coming from around the sink.
Ah, okay, grout.
Yeah.
We need to
To seal it.
yeah, okay,
Because the
caulk
water
it.
is seeping through the junction joint.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's dripping underneath.
yeah,
the
that's
sink.
classic.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
And that's all about it. But the sink faucet is newer.
All right, fantastic. And okay, what's your name?
My name is Dion Kabugasan from Ace Building Inspectors.
Outstanding. Thank you, Dion.